Musa alayhi salatu wasalam had a very interesting relationship with Allah. Musa had a very interesting, unlike any other prophet before or after him. Musa spoke directly to Allah Azza wa Jal. So one day Musa is having a very interesting conversation with Allah, and he asks, he says, Ya Allah, give me a dua, give me a supplication, give me something that I may remember you by, and I want it to be unique. I want it to be customized for me, Musa. So Allah Azza wa Jal, He says to Musa, He says, Ya Musa, قُل لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ. He says to him, Ya Musa, don't you know that if the seven heavens and the earth and all that it contains was placed on one end of the scale and La ilaha illallah was placed on the other, that La ilaha illallah would be heavier? Something so simple, my brother and my sister, something that can flow off your tongue, so simple, yet it's massive in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's huge on the scales. Imagine Allah is saying that La ilaha illallah is heavier than the seven heavens and the earth.